Okay, this is my whoopee cushion. Now I'm gonna go wake the cat up because she's not supposed to be in here. I don't know if you can see her very well, so I turn on the light. There she is. This is cat versus whoopee cushion. Let's see how she reacts to the whoopee cushion. She doesn't look too eager to move though, if you notice. I have to reinflate this stupid thing. This cushion doesn't like to. Sorry about that, fell over. Round 2. Okay. Round 3, right in the face. She's not supposed to be in this bed, but yet here she is, and she's not really leaving. As much as she jumps around, you'd think this would bother her a lot. Give me a moment. Let's chase the cat around the whoopee cushion. Alright, that was fun. Alright, till next time.